right here. The narrow with the boat. Well, this is just enough.
Okay, ladies, coming?
For the island to get through. What is it? Oh, this is a picture.
Huckleberry Island was named after its abundance of wild blueberry and huckleberry bushes. Wall Island is also called Dead Island and Swell Island because it's believed that the island was used over 500 years ago as a breeding ground for the Ojibway Native villages in the area. At the moment, the depth sounder is giving us a reading of 70 feet of water. Take note of the distinctive shoreline on both sides of the ship, especially the pine trees growing out of the rocky grass. The narrowest part of the channel is 111 feet wide, with a depth of 13 feet of water. From year to year, as we sail through here, we have observed that the hole in the wall changes somewhat. A few of the rocks in the winter months get pushed out by the ice, and sometimes a boulder or part of the cliff will fall into the channel. Hole in the Wall is a very popular spot with campers and cottagers in the summer months. It's not uncommon to see numerous tents and boats scattered along the shoreline, while their occupants dive from the channel's cliffs, fish for black bass, or simply just walk the shoreline picking blueberries and taking pictures. Upon leaving Hole in the Wall and Huckleberry Island, the captain will now set the ship on an eastern course bound for Parry, Sept.